What if an AI could explore the world of knowledge like an atlas? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will understand what is ChatGPT Atlas Browser is and how to install it and what are the main features of it. What is ChatGPT Atlas? ChatGPT Atlas is an AI-powered web browser that combines browsing with the smart assistants. Unlike the regular browsers, it helps you to understand search and also perform tasks using the built-in AI. Currently, the ChatGPT Atlas is exclusively available on the macOS. How to download Atlas browser? Visit the official page of the Atlas, click Download it for Mac, open the downloaded file, drag and drop into the application folder. Installation is simple and very quick. First time setup and login. Open the Atlas browser. Login using the email or the ChatGPT account. Main interface will load after the login. You are now ready to use the browser. Key features: ChatGPT Sidebar, Agent Mode, Cursor Mode. These features help you to make your browsing more easier, faster and also more productive. Feature 1: ChatGPT Sidebar works as an AI assistant while browsing. It allows the users to ask a question about any web pages and get the instant summaries and also the explanations. For example, when searching for an online course, you can ask, is this course is good? Then the sidebar analyze the page and give the quick suggestions. Feature 2: Agent Mode, autonomous browsing performs tasks automatically depend on your command. It also searches, compares and also analyzes the information. For example, you can ask, find the best laptop under 50,000, and now it will search and show you the best option. Agent Mode versus Web ChatGPT. Web ChatGPT gives only the answers while Agent Mode takes the action and also performs the particular task. Feature 3: Cursor Mode, inline text editing. Select and edit the text directly on the web pages. It can also rewrite the content instantly and it is helpful for email. For example, if you are writing an email, you can select the sentence and ask it to make it more professional and instantly it will rewrite it for you. ChatGPT Atlas is a simple idea that makes learning easier by connecting the topics in a clear way. It also helps to understand the information easily and also explore the knowledge in a step by step. This presentation is brought to you by Kenfra, where ideas meet innovation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.